Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're going to locate hidden apps fast. Start by confirming your iOS is current and you have a backup. Once done, swipe every home screen page deliberately and open the app library. Apps removed from the home screen still live there. Next, go to Settings and tap Screen Time and Content and Privacy to check restrictions, and open Siri and Search to verify app suggestions are allowed. These steps reveal where apps are hidden and why they won't appear on your main screens. Once you've checked settings, use the app library search bar and spotlight to type the app name. This identifies offloaded or hidden items quickly. If the app shows an app store purchased under Not on this iPhone, tap to reinstall. Offloaded apps need redownloading. To restore to home screen, long press the app in App Library and choose Add to Home Screen. Make sure Siri and search permissions are enabled so the app appears in Suggestions and Spotlight going forward, preventing it from disappearing again. To finish, if apps still don't appear, reset the home screen layout in Settings Right Arrow General Right Arrow Reset. This returns icons to default positions and often exposes hidden pages. Also inspect iPhone storage to confirm the app is installed versus offloaded. If screen time is blocking the app, temporarily disable content and privacy or adjust allowed apps. If nothing works, delete and reinstall from the App Store. And if that fails, restart the device. One key troubleshooting tip: disable screen time restrictions before reinstalling to avoid automatic hiding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.